Understanding the phrase, avoid bright colors. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, phrases that convey advice or instructions. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to avoid bright colors. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from fashion advice to guidelines for creating presentations. Let's unravel its meaning together and see where it's most commonly used. Stay tuned. At its core, avoid bright colors is a straightforward instruction. It advises against the use of vivid, bold, or highly saturated colors. Bright colors include shades like neon green, electric blue, or hot pink, colors that stand out dramatically against more subdued tones. This advice can be relevant in situations where such colors might be considered too loud, distracting, or inappropriate. Fashion and personal style. In fashion, the phrase might be used to suggest a more conservative or professional appearance. For instance, someone preparing for a job interview might be advised to avoid bright colors, to ensure their outfit is not too distracting and conveys a sense of professionalism. Design and presentation. When it comes to design, whether it's for websites, advertisements, or presentations, being told to avoid bright colors can be a guideline to prevent visual overload. It encourages the use of colors that are easy on the eyes, promoting better engagement and comprehension. Cultural significance. In some cultures, bright colors are reserved for specific ceremonies or occasions. Thus, the advice to avoid bright colors may also be rooted in cultural sensitivity, ensuring respect for local customs and traditions. Understanding the impact of color can significantly enhance how we communicate and present ourselves. Colors convey emotions and can influence perception. By advising to avoid bright colors, one is often guiding towards a choice that ensures clarity, appropriateness, and effectiveness in communication or presentation. We hope this exploration of the phrase, avoid bright colors, has illuminated its meaning and relevance across different contexts. Whether you're dressing up for an important event, designing your next project, or navigating cultural practices, the choice of colors plays a crucial role. Remember, the essence of this advice is to encourage thoughtfulness and intentionality in our choices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.